14, high 25.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 6:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, Thursday, July 22nd, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of Redberry, including Hafford and Crydor, rural municipality of Great Bend, including Radisson and Borden, rural municipality of Eagle Creek, including Arley and Sonningdale, rural municipality of Purdue, including Purdue and Kinley, rural municipality of Mayfield, including Maymont, Denholm and Fielding, rural municipality of Glenside, north of Biggar, and rural municipality of Biggar, including Biggar and Springwater. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: City of Saskatoon. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Prince Albert, Shelbrook, Spiritwood, Duck Lake, and Martinsville, Warman, Rossthern, Delisle, Wakaw.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 18h14, heure normale du centre, le jeudi 22 juillet 2021. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour la municipalité rurale de Redberry, incluant Hafford et Crydor, la municipalité rurale de Great Bend, incluant Radisson et Borden, la municipalité rurale de Eagle